Let me welcome to this tutorial on seawater density and density stratification. Okay, it's a reminder of what seawater density is, what controls the density in the oceans. Okay, what the surface mix layer is, the seasonal thermocline. Which processes actually create stable density stratification? Which processes actually destroy density stratification? Okay, and then also talk about interleaving and subduct. So density stratification is actually a very important feature because it, for example, creates something that we call the surface mix layer in the ocean. The surface mix layer in the ocean is the layer that actually is the connection between the atmosphere and the deeper ocean. Okay, so it's the gas that the ocean takes up from the atmosphere in terms of oxygen or CO2, ends up in the surface mix layer, and then it might actually be moved to much deeper layers into the ocean interior. Okay, so density is what controls this behavior. So let's have a look at it. What is density? Density is the weight in kilograms of seawater per unit volume of 1 cubic meter. So you take a box of 1 cubic meter in size, fill it with seawater, and determine weight. And the typical ocean density is between 1025 to 1028 kilograms per cubic meter. Okay. The water column tends to be stably stratified with low density water found above high density water, or simply light water above heavy water. And there's a little sketch which shows you this situation. Okay. So what controls the density of seawater? Okay. Probably for freshwater, you remember that the freshwater is controlled by temperature. Okay. And freshwater has a quite unusual properties that you get the heaviest water actually at temperatures of 4 degrees Celsius. It's different for seawater. Anyway, so forget about that. So you get unstable density stratification. You can have situations of unstable density stratifications, which means heavy above light water. And this situation triggers convection. It's a mixing process that aims to remove unstable density stratification. Okay, but I'll talk more about that on the next slides.